Choco Jelly by French Sheep Menu. Ingredients: choc-o, evaporated milk, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, cocoa powder, and gelatin jelly. First, add 250 ml of all-purpose cream in a bowl. Pour 300 ml of condensed milk into the bowl, then mix it. Pour 370 ml of evaporated milk into the mixture, then mix it. Add 1000 ml or 5 sachets of choco to the mixture, then mix it. Gradually add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder into the milk mixture, then mix it. Mix until all ingredients are combined. Prepare clean mason jars to put the choco mixture. First, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of gelatin jelly to the mason jar. Next, fill the jar with the choco mixture, then cover it with a lid. Here's another serving suggestion. Put some chocolate syrup on the sides of a clean glass. Add some gelatin jelly, then fill the glass with the choco mixture. Here's your choco jelly by French Sheep Menu. Thank you for watching.